Hey, Popsters! Welcome back to another exciting journey towards a healthier, happier you. Are you tired of the same old workout routine? Do you find yourself dragging your feet to the gym, feeling uninspired and unmotivated? Do you want something fun, effective, and perfect for all levels? Imagine a workout that not only challenges you, but also brings a smile to your face. Then let me introduce you to your new BFF Wall Pilates. This innovative workout is designed to keep you engaged and excited. We all know Pilates is amazing, right? It's a fantastic way to build strength, flexibility, and balance. It strengthens your core, improves flexibility, and makes you feel graceful as a swan. Imagine moving with the elegance and poise of a dancer, but sometimes those mat exercises can be tricky. You might find yourself struggling to maintain balance or execute the moves correctly. That's where Wall Pilates comes in. This unique approach uses the wall as a supportive tool, making it easier to perform those challenging exercises. It's like regular Pilates, but with a magical twist, a wall. The wall provides stability and helps you focus on your form. This awesome tool adds support and helps you master those moves. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner, Wall Pilates can enhance your workout. So ditch the workout boredom and get ready to experience the magic of Wall Pilates. Join a community of fitness enthusiasts who are discovering the joy of this innovative exercise. Embrace the challenge, feel the support, and watch your fitness journey transform. Let's make fitness fun again with Wall Pilates. Okay, but what exactly is Wall Pilates? Picture this. You, some comfy clothes, and a blank wall. That's your new gym. Wall Pilates uses the wall for resistance and support. It's like having a workout buddy who never cancels on you. You'll flow through classic Pilates moves, but the wall helps you understand your body better. Think of it like this. The wall is your guide, helping you find the perfect form and alignment. It's Pilates, but leveled up. Now I know what you're thinking. Cassie, I'm a Pilates newbie. Is this for me? Absolutely. Wall Pilates is perfect for beginners because the wall provides extra support. It helps you understand where your body should be, making those moves easier and safer. Plus, you can adjust the intensity based on how far you are from the wall. Closer to the wall means more support. Further away means more challenge. It's like having a personalized Pilates class just for you. Ready for some amazing benefits? Wall Pilates is like a full-body tune-up. First, get ready for a core stronger than titanium. The wall helps you engage those deep core muscles, sculpting your abs and improving your posture. Say goodbye to slouching. Wall Pilates also increases your flexibility and balance. Those graceful, flowing movements will have you feeling like a ballerina in no time. And the best part? It's low impact, so it's gentle on your joints. You get an amazing workout without putting too much stress on your body. Win-win. Section 5, Wall Workout Wonders. Your guide to Pilates moves. Ready to get moving? Wall Pilates is a fantastic way to build strength, improve flexibility, and enhance your overall fitness. Whether you're a beginner or looking to add variety to your routine, these exercises are perfect for you. Here are a few beginner-friendly Wall Pilates exercises to try. These moves are designed to be simple yet effective, making them accessible for everyone. Let's dive in and explore these exercises step by step. First, we have the wall set. This exercise is excellent for strengthening your legs and core. Stand with your back against the wall, feet hip-width apart. Make sure your feet are firmly planted on the ground, and your back is flat against the wall. Slide down until your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. It's important to keep your knees directly above your ankles to avoid any strain. Hold for 30 seconds, engaging your core. Focus on your breathing, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. This will help you maintain stability and endurance. Next up is the wall roll down. This move is great for improving spinal flexibility and core strength. Stand facing the wall, arms extended at shoulder height. Ensure your feet are hip-width apart and your posture is upright. Slowly roll down one vertebra at a time, keeping your core engaged. Imagine your spine as a string of pearls and you're lowering each pearl one by one. Roll back up, stacking your spine. Repeat this 5 times. This exercise not only stretches your back, but also helps in relieving tension. Lastly, we have wall push-ups. This exercise targets your upper body, particularly your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Stand facing the wall, arms extended, hands shoulder-width apart. Make sure your body is in a straight line from head to heels. Lean towards the wall, bending your elbows until your chest touches the wall. Keep your elbows close to your body to engage your triceps more effectively. Push back to the starting position. Repeat this 10 times. Remember to keep your core tight and your movements controlled. This will maximize the benefits of the exercise and help prevent injury. By incorporating these Wall Pilates exercises into your routine, you'll be on your way to a stronger, more flexible body. Happy exercising! Section 6. Who can join the Wall Pilates party? Here's the thing about Wall Pilates. It's for everyone. Whether you're a fitness fanatic or just starting your journey, Wall Pilates is adaptable to your fitness level. Adjust the intensity by moving closer or further from the wall. It's also perfect for all ages and body types. It's a low-impact workout that's gentle on your joints, so it's great if you're recovering from an injury or have limitations. Pregnant popsters, check with your doctor first, but Wall Pilates can be a great way to stay active during your pregnancy. Section 7. Ready, Set, Wall Pilates, your guide to getting started. Wall Pilates is an innovative and exciting way to incorporate fitness into your daily routine. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, this guide will help you get started on the right foot. Ready to embrace the wall? Wall Pilates offers a unique blend of strength, flexibility, and balance training, all using the support of a wall. It's perfect for those looking to add variety to their workouts. Here are some tips to kickstart your Wall Pilates journey. First, find your wall. Look for a flat, sturdy wall that can support your body weight during exercises. This could be in your living room, bedroom, or even a hallway. Any sturdy wall will do. Ensure the wall is free of any obstacles or decorations that might get in the way. It's important to have a clear and safe space to perform your exercises. Make sure you have enough space to move freely. You should be able to extend your arms and legs without hitting anything. This will allow you to perform a full range of movements without any restrictions. Second, dress for success. Wear comfortable clothes that allow you to move freely. Opt for breathable, stretchy fabrics that won't restrict your movements. Proper attire can make a big difference in your comfort and performance. No need for fancy workout gear, just something you feel good in. Third, start slow. It's important to ease into Wall Pilates, especially if you're new to this form of exercise. Begin with a few exercises and gradually increase the reps and sets as you get stronger. Focus on mastering the basic movements before moving on to more advanced exercises. This will help you build a solid foundation and prevent injuries. Listen to your body and take breaks when needed. It's crucial to pay attention to how your body feels during your workout. If you experience any pain or discomfort, take a break and reassess your form. And lastly, have fun. Wall Pilates is a fun and effective way to get fit. It's a great way to challenge yourself and try something new. Plus, it's a fantastic way to engage with friends and family. Put on some music, invite a friend, and enjoy the journey. Music can add an extra layer of motivation and enjoyment to your workout. So, create a playlist of your favorite tunes and let the rhythm guide you through your Wall Pilates routine. Remember, the key to success is consistency and having a positive attitude. Happy exercising! Section 8. Embrace the wall, embrace your strength. Wall Pilates is more than just a workout. It's about connecting with your body and building strength from within. The wall is your ally, providing support and guidance as you challenge yourself physically and mentally. It's about finding your flow, embracing the burn, and celebrating every milestone. So what are you waiting for? Find a wall, put on your workout gear, and get ready to unleash your inner Pilates pro. Section 9. Wall Pilates, your journey to a healthier, happier you. Wall Pilates is your gateway to a healthier, happier you. It's about feeling good from the inside out, building confidence, and embracing a positive relationship with your body. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, or in this case, a single wall sit. So, take that first step, popsters, and discover the amazing benefits of Wall Pilates. Your body will thank you for it.